Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Review my usage experience. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Review My Usage Experience offers automated portfolio management and investment advice. It's designed for investors who want a hands-off approach to managing their investments but still benefit from professional guidance. Key features include automated portfolio rebalancing, tax loss harvesting, and fractional shares. Their website provides details on their various fee structures and investment strategies. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios positions itself as a low-cost, convenient alternative to traditional financial advisors, highlighting its ease of use and lack of minimum investment requirements. They emphasize transparency and the absence of hidden fees or contracts. Availability is limited to U.S. residents, but eligibility can be easily checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Getting started was incredibly easy. The online onboarding process was straightforward, requiring only basic personal and financial information. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed my portfolio's allocation, performance, and recent transactions. I especially appreciated the detailed reports that broke down my investment performance and tax implications. I was able to easily adjust my risk tolerance through a simple slider, and the system automatically rebalanced my portfolio accordingly. The performance has been consistent with my expectations, slightly outperforming the market benchmark over the past 6 months. I had a quick question about tax loss harvesting, and their support team responded within 2 business days via email, providing a clear and helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app. Managing my portfolio was solely through the website. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. It's a convenient and efficient way to manage my investments without the complexities of doing it myself. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated rebalancing and tax loss harvesting, which saves me significant time and effort. That's my overview of Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.